If you're seeing the launch failed LS0013 error in Epic Games Launcher, don't worry, this usually means some of your game files are missing or corrupted, and that's stopping the game from launching properly. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and head over to your library. Find the game that's showing the LS0013 error, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Manage and then click Verify. This tells Epic to scan your game files and compare them with the original version. If anything is missing or damaged, it will automatically repair or replace those files. Now, depending on the size of the game, this verification process can take around 5 to 10 minutes, sometimes a little longer for larger titles, so just let it finish completely. Once the scan is done, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If it still won't open, there's another important fix you should try next. Go to your desktop, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, open the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This gives the launcher elevated permissions, which can help it properly access files and launch games without being blocked by Windows. After that, click Apply, then OK to save the change. Now relaunch Epic Games Launcher and try starting the game again. In many cases, one of these two steps fixes the LS0013 error right away. If the problem continues, it may be worth restarting your PC, making sure Windows is fully updated, and checking that your antivirus isn't interfering with the game files. But for most users, verifying the game files and running the launcher as an administrator is enough to solve the issue. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.